Research is the secret sauce to making your fiction book feel real. Whether you're writing a crime thriller, a romantic novel, or even a sci-fi novel, good research helps bring your characters to life and makes them feel authentic. Here's a simple and effective guide on how you can go about researching for your fiction novel. Start by reading other books in your genre, ideally 10 or more. Pay attention to the plot, the structure, and the pacing. Note things that you liked and you didn't like about each book. Reading good books can help you absorb techniques that you can then apply in your own work. Whether you're writing about doctors, dancers, or detectives, talking to people with these jobs can give you insights that the internet just can't. Real conversations can help you write better characters. If you're writing about someone with an offbeat job, try to speak to someone who actually lives this life. If your story takes place in a city that you've never been to, try visiting, because this will help you write a more authentic description of the place, which will help people connect with your story more. Reading the news from the period that your story is set in is extremely important, because real events add authenticity. For example, Chetan Bhagat's 3 Mistakes of My Life anchored his timeline using cricket matches and earthquakes. The internet is useful, but not always accurate. Stick to trustworthy sources like government archives and university websites. If something sounds too wild to be true, always double check it. Organizing your research is extremely important, and you need to save all your information and have physical backups for each of them. You can also organize your research into separate folders. Scene cards are extremely useful for keeping track of the key information for each chapter. And finally, know when to stop researching. If you keep researching, you'll never start writing. Set a research deadline and start your draft immediately. You can always fill the gaps later. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!